In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a collage in Canva. If you've ever tried arranging a bunch of photos manually, you already know how quickly it can get frustrating. Images end up uneven, spacing looks off, and instead of focusing on the design itself, you're stuck fixing alignment. The good news is that Canva makes this much easier with built-in grid layouts that do most of the hard work for you. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the full process so you can build a clean, polished collage without the usual hassle. To get started, open Canva and load the design you want to work on. From your homepage, go into your recent projects and open the presentation, poster, social post, or other design where you want the collage to appear. Once it opens, make sure you're clicked into the correct page and that your canvas is active so you can edit comfortably without affecting anything else by accident. Next, head over to the left-hand sidebar and click on Elements. This is where Canva stores a lot of its design tools and layout options. Inside that panel, scroll down until you find the section called Grids, then click See All. This area is especially useful because it gives you ready-made collage structures, which means you don't have to size and position every photo manually. Now take a moment to browse through the available grid styles. You'll see different layouts designed for different looks, from simple, evenly divided photo blocks to more creative and asymmetrical arrangements. Choose the one that best fits your project, then click it once. Canva will place that grid directly onto your canvas, giving you an instant collage framework to work with. After that, it's time to add your photos. Go back to the left sidebar and open Uploads if you want to use your own images, or Photos if you want to use Canva's image library. Click and drag a photo over to your collage. When you hover over one of the grid sections, you'll notice the image snaps neatly into that space. Release the mouse and it will lock into place. Repeat that process for each section of the collage. If you want to adjust how a photo sits inside its frame, just double click it, reposition the crop, and confirm the change when you're done. Finally, review the overall look of your collage. With the grid selected, use the spacing option in the top toolbar to make the borders between images wider or narrower depending on the style you want. Once everything looks right, go to the top right corner, click Share, then Download. Choose PNG for a crisp, high-quality result and download your finished collage. And that's it. You now know how to create a collage in Canva quickly and cleanly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.